Okay, Tulloch and Teddy, this one's for you. So, here's me pump. That's my hose line, that's the pump. That is the on-off switch. So you start it. That's the throttle. That's the choke. That's the fuel. You gotta bring the fuel back here to turn the fuel pump on. I'm not gonna be running it for a bit, we'll turn it off. Choke when you start it over here. This obviously increases how much RPM, so how much pressure you got in the line. Here's my pressure gauge. I normally want this sitting about 450 kPa. Yeah, there's my little sign that tells you what chemicals in there. So right now we're pumping fipronil, which is this one, termite HE, good stuff. Drinking white monster. So power cord, we'll go over here. This is where a termite nest was. I dug it up, sprayed it, and killed it. And you can see some of the termite working in there. So, no termites left in there. I can't show you inside the house, but there's a whole bunch of termite working throughout the house. This is a weird slab. So, see that? You don't want that. That's moisture there. That may attract termites in, up into the slab. Stuff like that you don't want up against the house either. Okay, so I've already treated that part. I've already treated all this as well, so I have to move all the stones out of the way. And then I've treated all this here as well. So I've dug this up and sprayed it and then covered it back over. There's my digging shovel. There's the little sprayer that I use when I'm doing the soil. Now I'm just waiting on pipe location to get here so I can drill this concrete. Once this concrete's drilled, then I can use this on the end of the line. This is a concrete slab injector. So I push this through the hole I've drilled and inject the concrete under the slab. I just dropped it. Now, the reason I say this is a weird slab is because this is a monolithic slab, right, which extends underneath the house. So here's the top of the line of the brick. Now, you can't really see it. I'll try and turn the flash on. You can't really see it, but down in here, the slab extends underneath this line of brick, which means that this slab is part of the main house slab. So basically, I think the termites, when they got in, because they're in this wall here, I don't think they've come in through the slab. I think they've actually come in through a pipe penetration. So pipe penetration being like the water pipe, the sewer pipe, something like that. And it's the same over there. That slab there is part of the main house slab. So yeah, anyway, all right, let's see if I can post this for you.